Namaste. Presenting the Vyoma audio device. A simple and powerful way to bring daily Sanskrit learning and chanting into your life. The audio box series consists of 5 enriching products: Śrīmad Bhagavad Gītā, Saptaha Stotra Saṅgraha, Rāmāyaṇa Ratnamālā, Aṣṭādhyāyī Sūtrapāṭha, and Śrīman Nārāyaṇīyam companion. Let us now unbox one of these devices. Let's take a look at what's inside. The audio device, a charging cable, the charger, warranty card, the user guide, the content sheet, use this button to switch the device on or off. Here is the volume button. This is the play or pause button. You can quickly move to any chapter by doing a quick press of the chapter number. You can switch to the previous chapter or go to the next one very easily by using these up and down arrow buttons. You can change the mode to radio, Bluetooth, and back to SD mode. You might wonder, when all these contents are easily available online, why should you invest in this audio device? Because this device has numerous benefits over the freely available online content. First, this device can be easily operated by both children and adults, especially senior citizens. It is simple, compact, and a practical solution to hear and also to learn chanting. Also, these devices work offline. There is no need of any internet connection. Most of the apps mix devotional chants with movie tracks and are a huge distraction. But with this device, there are no ads, no distractions, there are no monthly subscriptions or fees. The sound quality is clear and loud enough for a small to medium-sized room. This device is great for reducing screen time. Also note that this device can be used by different types of learners, like a novice learner who wants to have repeated chanting, a progressive learner who wants to learn clear pronunciation, or a devotee who wants to engage in undisturbed Parayanam for 3 to 4 hours. If you are looking for a peaceful, focused, and easy way to chant every day, then Vyoma audio device is the perfect companion.